Ka Asorphi kala pynlong ya ka workshop basisngi halor ka phang digital literary ka balabay pisa dak sarkar jilla po ka Chief Minister Youth Development Scheme arjar arpsau arpsan langba ka office jong ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Khasil District ya gani ka workshop la pynlong hapo Riwar College Pynursla hakni ka workshop lawan bani simbanta daki khna school mat khna college kum ki khna puli jok Riwar College RMSA Right Sabong Secondary School, Khatar Blang Higher Secondary School, Sengkasi Higher Secondary School, Nongmadan, Batka Asorphi Academy Higher Secondary School. Hakte kasngi kakong Banjurip Langdo Junior Rural Development Officer, Pynursla CNRD Block, Kalalong kum kokongsan harangkat, Kajingdon lang jong Principal ka Riwar College u Dr. Sashan Kutlang Kong Thorem, but u Principal ka Asorphi Academy Higher Secondary School Pynursla u Dr. Seven Dar Dekar. Rangkat kinohikai ka Riwar College bat ki weipat ki school. La penwa ya ka workshop da ka jingsa me ki sernot chaparo kinong isim benta.
And my dear young friends, good morning to each and every one of you today present here. It's first of all, I must thank God who gives me such an opportunity today to stand before you. And I hope you all today, you must be very aware of what will be taught to you throughout the day. Because digital literacy, as we know, today is one of the most important. We cannot live without internet, right? Because today is, as we can say, it's internet world. So once again, it is a privilege to stand here before you today to celebrate and strengthen one of the most important skills of the 21st century, the digital literacy. Under the visionary framework of Meghalaya Youth Development Scheme, we are not just promoting digital skills.
One day I asked my student, he failed in one subject, and I said, why with this much mark? Sir, I don't understand. I said, did you ask your teacher? She said, yes. Do you understand what she explained? Yes, I understand, but again I forgot it. And the way they explained also, I don't understand really, I couldn't grab it properly. And I asked him, do you use YouTube? He said, no. What are you using? There are lots of videos, there are hundreds of videos on any topic. On any topic. You talk about biology, physics, maths, except Kasi again, English, about health, about money, about anything you want to learn. It's there on it's there on YouTube. And there are many good teachers in YouTube. So why did you make use of it? See, sometimes we have the technology in our hand. Sometimes we have the things in our hand, but we don't use it. Right? We don't use it. I'm telling you, I'm very bad in maths. In my class then I get 30. I'm very proud of myself. Somehow I got 30. Right? But nowadays, I'm teaching maths in one coaching center. I'm teaching maths. I am very proud of myself again. And who's my teacher? YouTube is my teacher. I was thinking to myself, I should have learned in this way before when I was a student.
This workshop organized by Asorphi on digital literacy. Respected guest Judith Tendo, GRDO Pynursla CNRD Block session on digital literacy. I also welcome the principal of Asorphi Academy Higher Secondary School, Dr. Seven Dekar, for taking this initiative of conducting this workshop on digital literacy. So I welcome you, sir, to this program. I welcome the faculty members from Riwar College, the teachers from participating from the students from Riwar College and other schools